We know that hair removal can be a huge pain in more ways than one. So we're here to help you navigate it for a super sensitive spot, the bikini area. It's important to remember that bikini hair or pubic hair is totally normal and everyone has it. Choosing to remove it is up to you, and you should never feel pressured to do it if you aren't comfortable with it. When getting rid of hair in this area, there are two ways to do it. One is only along your bikini line or the hair that might show along the sides of your underwear. The other is a Brazilian and usually means total hair removal. Shaving is pain-free but comes with its fair share of issues like small cuts, stubble, itchiness, and ingrown hair. And after all that, the hair usually grows back in 1 to 2 days. If you're going for this method, then there's a few things that you should remember. Exfoliate the area before with a gentle body scrub to reduce the amount of ingrown hair. Use a clean, sharp razor, preferably even a new one, to prevent infection and an uneven shave because of dull blades. You can even get an electric trimmer that's specially made for the bikini area. Always use a shaving cream or a moisturizing body wash and never shave dry because you'll just end up with some small cuts and uncomfortable stubble. If the hair is too long, you can first trim it with a comb and a pair of scissors. Since the hair in this area is thicker, you should shave in the direction of the hair growth and not against it to prevent ingrowths. Once you're done, moisturize the area with a light, fragrance-free moisturizer, but avoid things like coconut oil because they'll clog your pores. You can also apply medicated creams like soframycin to the area for a few days after to prevent infection and soothe any small redness or bumps. Waxing can be done at home by yourself or at a parlor, and the results usually last 3 to 4 weeks. However, it's definitely a painful process and is not everyone's cup of tea. If you have a high pain threshold and prefer waxing, then here are a few tips for you. Like shaving, you should exfoliate before to loosen up the hair and open up any clogged pores. Make sure your skin is clean and dry, and if you're waxing yourself at home, use a powder to soak up any oils or sweat. Remember to smooth the strip down in the direction of the hair growth and then pull it off in the opposite direction. A great tip to help deal with the pain is to inhale just before the strip is pulled off and then exhale when it's pulled off, which will reduce the tension in your body and reduce the pain too. Once you're done, use a cotton swab to dab on a mixture of rose water and a couple of drops of tea tree oil. The rose water will help close those open pores and soothe your skin, while the tea tree oil will prevent bacteria and ingrown hair. Like shaving, you can apply a medicated cream, especially onto the folds of your skin, to avoid redness and bumps. There are now special bikini epilators available that, like waxing, pull out the hair from the roots, so the results last about 3 to 4 weeks, and you can do this easily at home. However, a lot of people say that epilating hurts more than waxing, and since the hair is removed one at a time, it can take a lot longer than waxing as well. Just like with other hair removal methods, remember to exfoliate before for the best results. Read the instructions on your epilator well, as each one might function slightly differently, and test it out on your arm or leg first before going into the bikini area. Hair removal cream is a pain-free option and the results last about 1 to 2 weeks. But since it is a chemical remover, it can be harsh and irritate sensitive skin, so always do a patch test first. The creams have also been known to darken your skin if you use them over and over again, so this is something to be mindful of. You also can't use these creams for an all-over Brazilian hair removal since they can't be used all over the bikini area. Instead, you can use these just for the bikini line. There are a few things that you can do to get it right. Like I've said before, exfoliating is key, so don't skip this step. Apply the cream in a thick, even layer across your skin and never rub it into your skin. Leave it on for about 5 minutes and then check a small patch to see if the hair is coming off. And if it's not, you can wait 1 more minute and then check it again. But don't leave it on for more than 10 minutes as it can start to burn your skin. Make sure to check your cream for the specific timings that's been suggested on it. Once it's been long enough, you can rinse off the cream and then wash up with a moisturizing body wash. Laser hair removal is a semi-permanent option but can be quite expensive and quite painful too. You also have to sit through many sessions over several weeks, so make sure to speak to a few different dermats and someone who's experienced the process as well. We know that bikini hair removal can be awkward and messy, but we hope that this video takes out some of the guesswork for you. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.